Hey folks, Ray from Love Your RV. So happy Boxing Day to everybody, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate. Happy Solstice. The days are getting longer, thank God. And wish you all a Happy New Year when it's coming up soon. I just wanted to announce the winner for the Jackery 500. I did the draw today with a random number generator. Altogether there was over 2,000 entries, so thanks everybody for entering. And I went through and read them all, read all the little notes. Some people wrote little notes. I just simply can't answer them all. It's just way too much typing for me, and I'm like a hunt and peck guy, so it would just be a huge task. But I read them all, so very thanks for the comments. A lot of kind comments there. And the winner was a guy named David in Kaslo, British Columbia. He's a part-time RVer with a travel trailer, so he's excited to win that. So I'll ship that out to him on Monday. A little bit of an update here. People have asked how we're making out for the winter here in Vancouver Island, and it's much better than I expected, actually. I expected, it'd be a lot colder. It's been a very mild season. We've had only maybe 3 or 4 times that it really froze like a hard freeze. I have a little bird bath in front of the RV, and there's only been, like I say, 3 or 4 times that it got ice on it, so that's been good. The skirting's worked out good. I haven't really needed it too much, but it does kind of keep things warmer under the RV even in this type of weather. So I made do without even running the RV furnace. It's only come on a couple nights. I set the nighttime temperature at 60 Fahrenheit in the rig. We run a small heater, and the big thing has been the dehumidifier. That's been a big hit with me because it's kept the RV nice and dry inside, which is the big thing on here, because you can see that kind of gloomy, rainy thing. That's kind of what happens a lot here. Every once in a while the sun pokes out, but it's mostly cloud cover. We've also got some big storms, 5 or 6 big wind and rain storms, and the skirting hasn't budged. It's held up really well. I'm really impressed with that skirting, how it can handle the wind. So it's been good as far as that's concerned. I'll have an update on all the winter stuff. I'm going to let it go further as we get into January and into early February. That's when it can get quite cold around here. We should be getting some snow. Usually they call for average of 6 inches of snow here, historical average, in December, and in January another 6 inches. But so far we had a light dusting in November and haven't had any snow since. A couple days ago they got quite a bit of snow down in the near Victoria, Vancouver area, but we didn't even get anything, not even really some rain here that day. So that's been good. Ann and I are coping pretty good. We have a nice view out the back with the estuary there, and we get to do local walks around here. There's not too many people around here. It's pretty mellow here, so that's been nice. And what's on tap, I'm going to kind of take some days here, not do too much till after New Year's, but I have a review of that Himsen solar generator that I showed you in a previous video. Also got a unique little dash cam, Jomice K7 dash cam, and the thing about it is it actually alerts you when the light turns red or green, and also if the car moves in front of you. It's kind of a really slick little dash cam, kind of high quality thing. And also I'm installed a Drain Master electric valve. If you remember, I have 2 of those on my rig, and there was one, the galley valve, I did, and I was having to crawl underneath the RV to pull that galley valve that's between the tires. So Drain Master sent me out. I guess they saw the video and felt sorry for me, so they sent me one out for install. So I'm in the process. I got that pretty well installed, but I'll have a video in the new year for that as well. So that's about it. A few updates for you. Thanks for everybody that entered the draw for all the stuff, and I'll continue doing this as I get more and more stuff, because there's a bunch of stuff I can't use, and I'd rather give it away to my viewers than try to sell it off or anything. So till next time, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Thanks for watching, folks. Cheers.